Where did she get off the bus?
She got off at the library.
When did they arrive at school?
They arrived at 8 a.m.
What did he carry in his bag?
He carried his books.
Where did we sit after class?
We sat under the tree.
Who did you meet at the shopping center?
I met my cousin.
What did she wear yesterday?
She wore a blue jacket.
Where did they walk after lunch?
They walked to the park.
When did he finish his homework?
He finished it last night.
What did we talk about on the bus?
We talked about school.
Who did she study with at the library?
She studied with her friend.
Where did I leave my notebook?
You left it in the classroom.
When did the students enter the hall?
They entered at 9 a.m.
What did he buy at the shopping center?
He bought new shoes.
Where did the teacher stand during class?
The teacher stood near the board.
Who did she call after school?
She called her mother.
What did we eat in the cafeteria?
We ate sandwiches.
Where did the bus stop in the morning?
The bus stopped at the gate.
When did you read that story?
I read it last weekend.
What did they watch on TV?
They watched a movie.
Who did he play football with?
He played with his classmates.
Where did she go after shopping?
She went home.
When did they return from the trip?
They returned yesterday.
What did he drink at lunch?
He drank juice.
Who did we help with homework?
We helped our neighbor.
Where did you sit on the bus?
I sat near the window.
When did she open her bag?
She opened it in class.
What did they eat for breakfast?
They ate eggs and bread.
Who did he talk to in the library?
He talked to his teacher.
Where did we play after school?
We played in the playground.
What did you write in your notebook?
I wrote a story.
When did she close the window?
She closed it in the evening.
Who did they invite to the party?
They invited their friends.
Where did he go last night?
He went to the cinema.
What did we see on the way?
We saw a big bus.
When did the bell ring?
The bell rang at 12.
Who did you wait for at the gate?
I waited for my brother.
Where did she buy her jacket?
She bought it in the mall.
What did they read in the library?
They read magazines.
When did he wake up?
He woke up early.
Who did we meet in the park?
We met our teacher.
Where did the children go after lunch?
They went to the playground.
What did you cook yesterday?
I cooked rice.
When did she write the letter?
She wrote it last week.
Who did he call on the phone?
He called his uncle.
Where did we stop during the trip?
We stopped at the shop.
What did they bring to school?
They brought pencils.
When did you wash your clothes?
I washed them yesterday.
Who did she dance with at the party?
She danced with her friend.
Where did he hide the keys?
He hid them in the drawer.
What did we hear on the street?
We heard music.
When did the teacher ask the question?
She asked it in the morning.
Who did they follow on the road?
They followed the guide.
Where did you park the bike?
I parked it near the shop.
What did she draw in her notebook?
She drew a flower.
When did he take the picture?
He took it yesterday.
Who did we play cricket with?
We played with our cousins.
Where did they keep their bags?
They kept them in the corner.
What did you buy from the shop?
I bought an apple.
When did she start reading the book?
She started yesterday.
Who did he give the gift to?
He gave it to his friend.
Where did we eat dinner last night?
We ate at the cafe.
What did they bring from the trip?
They brought souvenirs.
When did you see the movie?
I saw it last week.
Who did she wait for at the station?
She waited for her father.
Where did he put his shoes?
He put them under the bed.
What did we write on the board?
We wrote answers.
When did they leave the class?
They left at 10.
Who did you sit with on the bus?
I sat with my friend.
Where did she find her book?
She found it on the desk.
What did he say in the meeting?
He said thank you.
When did we reach the park?
We reached in the afternoon.
Who did they send the message to?
They sent it to their teacher.
Where did you hear the song?
I heard it on the radio.
What did she bring to class?
She brought a pen.
When did he open the shop?
He opened it in the morning.
Who did we walk with to school?
We walked with our neighbor.
Where did they play football?
They played in the ground.
What did you eat for lunch?
I ate rice.
When did she arrive at the bus stop?
She arrived early.
Who did he share his lunch with?
He shared with his sister.
Where did we keep the books?
We kept them on the shelf.
What did they see at the zoo?
They saw lions.
When did you go shopping?
I went on Friday.
Who did she meet at the market?
She met her aunt.
Where did he run after school?
He ran to the playground.
What did we hear in the classroom?
We heard laughter.
When did they finish the game?
They finished in the evening.
Who did you speak to yesterday?
I spoke to my cousin.
Where did she travel last summer?
She traveled to Karachi.
What did he bring from the store?
He brought milk.
When did we start the lesson?
We started at 9.
Who did they wait for in the hall?
They waited for the teacher.
Where did you sleep last night?
I slept in my room.
What did she listen to on the phone?
She listened to music.
When did he finish the project?
He finished it yesterday.
Who did we talk to in the shop?
We talked to the manager.
Where did they sit in the cinema?
They sat in the back row.
What did you see on the street?
I saw a dog.
When did she join the class?
She joined last week.
Who did he help with the homework?
He helped his sister.